If you are looking for how to split table and join table in MS Word, then keep watching the video. For example, go to the insert and create a table. Now first you want to split the table, then place the cursor where you split the table and then go to the layout section on the top right menu bar, and here you will see that split table. Click on that, and here the two tables are separated. And for example, if you want to split the table from here, so again go to the layout and click split tables. So you can see that the tables are splitted. So if you want to join the tables, there are multiple methods. So first you need to click on this four side small arrow. You need to drag it and drag to the above table and join them. And another way is that place the cursor between the two tables and press delete button, and here the two tables are joined. So if this method is not worked, then head to the home and click on this show hide paragraph marks. Click on that, and now here you will see that maybe there is a hidden paragraph over here. So just remove it first and then remove the paragraph marks. This is another way. Another way to join the table, click this four side arrow and now Control X and place the cursor below the table and Control V. And this way you can easily split table and join table in MS Word easily. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.